back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a beautiful wig and a beautiful style. Look how cute she is, okay? Come back with a drink, okay? Because we're gonna be here for a few minutes. Let's welcome back today's hair sponsor, Afsister Wig. I love Afsister Wig. I've said it a million times. I continue to say it. I say it on all my platforms. I love it. I love them. I love their wigs. I love everything about it. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch body wave 360-degree lace. You guys know we love this type of wig on my channel. Pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, ready to wear invisible strap wig. Hang on, I'll explain. I know my MVPs, you guys watch my videos and you know what we're talking about today, but for those who don't know, a 360-degree wig. There is lace all throughout. That means that this is a classic ponytail wig. You can actually wear this wig high in a bun. It's so versatile because you have so many options to wear it.
Thinking about you, I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother. Whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way.
I am going to trim the lace off of the back. This is where the ear is going to go. So I'm going to cut off the extra lace because we definitely don't need it there. And I like to go as close as possible. So that's what it looks like now. I'm going to adjust it even tighter because I like mine really snug. I like to tighten it first, but you don't have to. You can tighten it afterwards if you prefer. Removing the makeup, any product that I have there. Okay, we're gonna be going in with my Sticky Little Secret because that's my favorite.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right.
And now I'm gonna apply the lace.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right.
Pressing it in. So that's gonna dry, so now we're just gonna actually leave it until it dries clear, okay? And then I'll be right back.
My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night.
You can also use the melting spray from my Sticky Little Secret. I just have this on my desk right now, so I just decided to use this. I want to do an updo. I recently did this updo, but I didn't have the bow, so now I got the bow, so I'm doing it with the bow, duh.
Like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural.
About there. I'm gonna leave that much hair out because I don't want to cut too much of this hair. You're definitely gonna need a hot comb for this style.
Edges laid from the east
Okay, so that's where we're gonna put the bow. I like to pluck any unruly hairs that are in my way. I'm gonna go in with some nude tones. I like to do a little mixture. And we're gonna go in and do this as well. So these are the bows that I have. I have this one, big one, and then I have this little one. I think we're definitely gonna go with the big one. Okay, but I'm not gonna put that on until the end. So what we're going to do now is cut this a little bit. I'm going to recurl it. How does this work? I haven't used one of these since I was a kid. Dab myself with it.
But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will you really come? About all these panties, but I really don't wear none.
You don't have to keep it in a traditional down style, but you also don't have to keep it in a traditional up style. I've done a lot of these wigs where I'm focused on showing it in a high ponytail, but today we wanted to do this cute style. So go ahead and get you a bow and try this style out. It's super cute. I love the pre-plucked hairline, so I wanted to push those hairs out of my face so you can see, and look how beautiful it is, guys. HD lace. When I tell you they have some of the best lace in the game, it's top tier. It blends in with any skin tones. With the drawstring you can adjust the tightness and the cap size. If you have a smaller head and you just want to wear this wig like this, because a lot of times wigs, when you have a smaller head, it feels really big in the back. I always like to pull that drawstring in, and then you take it and you tuck it in there, and then of course at the end of the day, if I'm tired and I want my hair up, I can just put her up. I'm pretty sure the invisible strap is going to be the standard for wigs in the future. So if you haven't hopped on this trend, you might as well do it now, because you don't want to be missing out. This type of wig always gets my stamp of approval because it's just amazing. It literally makes you feel like you have a lot of hair and it's all yours. So if you want that feeling and that sensation, go pick you up one of these wigs. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a discount code, of course it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to check that out before you go. The density, thickness, style, everything is just amazing. Guys, run over there. Don't walk, run, okay? So this is the other style that I wanted to show you guys before I go. I was about to hop in the shower. I'm like, you know what? Let me just come back on camera and show them how it looks in the ponytail slash bun. So I think I'm gonna keep it on for a little bit longer. Love the fact that I could just put the hair out of my face. At the end of the day, that's what I want. I don't want hair in my face. So when I went to put it up, I wanted to come back and show you guys, because this is how I'm gonna be wearing this wig. I'm gonna go to sleep with it on, and it's so much easier to go to sleep with it like this compared to like hair all down, because if you guys know me, I don't like stuff bothering me, like touching my face. Like when I'm asleep, I just want nothing at all. I usually take off all of my wigs. If I have a wig that's like secured like this, then I might consider keeping it on because it's just convenient, it's easy to wrap, etc. This is how it looks after some hours of install. Bye.